Hello and welcome. Today we are going to learn about a very useful English word. The word is active. Let's begin our lesson together. What does the word active mean? Active means moving, doing things, or being busy. When someone or something is active, they are not sitting still. They are doing something. First, let's learn how to say this word correctly. The word active is pronounced as ACTIVE. Listen carefully, active. Now you can practice saying it too. Active is an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a person or a thing. So when we say someone is active, we are describing them. We are saying they move or do things. When someone is active, it means they move a lot and do many things. An active person is not lazy. They like to work, play, or exercise. They have energy and they use it. Let's look at some examples of active people. A runner is active because they run and move their body. A dancer is active because they dance and move to music. A student who studies hard is also active because they are doing something with their mind. We can also use the word active to describe things, not just people. An active thing is something that is working, moving, or turned on. It is not stopped or sleeping. Here are some examples of active things. A running machine is active when it is working. A phone with sound on is active because it can ring or make noise. A dog playing outside is active because it is moving and having fun. Every word has an opposite. The opposite of active is lazy, still, or quiet. If someone is not active, they are resting or not moving much. Let's compare active and inactive. Active means moving, working, or alive. Inactive means not moving, resting, or turned off. For example, a person running is active. A person sleeping is inactive. Being active is important in our daily life. We can be active by walking, playing, working, or exercising. These activities keep us healthy and happy. Why should we be active? Being active is good for our health. It makes our heart strong, our muscles healthy, and our mind happy. Active people feel better and have more energy. We can be active at school too. When you listen carefully, ask questions, and join games, you are being active. Active students learn more and enjoy school. At work, people can also be active. Working hard, helping others, and moving around are all ways to be active at work. Active workers are productive and helpful. Now, is active a verb? Not really. Active is usually an adjective. But there is a verb that comes from this word. The verb is activate. Let's learn about it. Activate means to start something or turn it on. When you activate something, you make it active. It begins to work or move. Here are some examples using the word activate. You can activate your phone by turning it on. You can activate an alarm to make it ring. You can activate your account to start using it. There are other words related to active. These words are activity, action, and actor. They all come from the same family of words about doing and moving. Activity means something you do. Sports, games, work, and fun are all activities. When you do an activity, you are being active. Action is doing something. It means to move, act, or cause a change. When you take action, you are not just thinking. You are doing. An actor is a person who acts in a play or movie. Actors perform actions on stage or on screen. They are called actors because they do things and show emotions. Living an active life is wonderful. When you move more and play more, you feel good. An active lifestyle keeps you healthy and strong. There are many fun ways to be active. You can play outside with friends. You can dance to your favorite music. You can walk in the park. All of these are fun and active. Being active in nature is beautiful. You can go hiking in the mountains, run in the park, or explore the forest. Nature is a great place to be active. You can also be active with friends. Playing games, doing sports, and team activities are all ways to be active together. It's more fun when you share it with others. Even at home, you can be active. You can clean your room, dance in the living room, or do some stretching exercises. Being active at home is easy and helpful. Let's remember why being active helps you. It helps you stay healthy. It makes you feel happy. And it gives you energy to do more things you love. Now, let's remember the word active. It means moving, doing, being busy, and staying healthy. Use this word when you talk about people or things that are full of energy. Here's a quick quiz for you. Look at the picture. Is this person active? Think about it. Are they moving and doing something, or are they resting? You decide. Let's summarize what we learned today. Active means moving or doing something. Activate means to start something. And being active is very good for your health and happiness. Thank you for learning with me today. Remember to keep being active every day. Move, play, and enjoy life. See you next time.